along the News Riverwalk.
Here's the 2021 statewide tornado drill.
Impact at 18.0 feet. The Smithfield Town Park and the News Riverwalk at the I-70 bridge are flooded. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 15.0 feet on October 13th. This is a test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. This test is being conducted in conjunction with the North Carolina Tornado Drill. This drill is conducted annually to allow schools, businesses, emergency managers, and the public to exercise their tornado safety procedures. This practice tornado drill will remain in effect until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. There will be no follow-up statements issued. Schools and businesses participating in the tornado drill should exercise their severe weather safety plans now. This test also serves as the Emergency Alert System required monthly test for March. Broadcasters, in cooperation with local, state, and national authorities, have developed this system to provide the public with important emergency information should the need arise. This concludes the statewide tornado drill and test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System. Here is a special message from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Johnston, North Carolina. The flood warning.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this 2021 statewide tornado drill.